Now.
Hi. They're not open.
I know, I've got to try earlier.
Okay, they're empty.
So.
Where am I going? Wait, can you see?
No, not really. No, not really.
Oh no, it's so dark.
It's so very dark.
It's light. Play.
Yep.
There was darkness. And then light.
Yes. Yep.
Hi. Right, slat. Slat. Crisscross. I forgot the crisscross move.
It goes.
What? Is it playing?
Here's now.
Well, hello there. I'm basking in the Christmas glory.
Oh yeah, they haven't seen your room, have they?
They don't know.
This is Amy's Christmas tree.
Christmas tree.
Christmas tree. She's a mess.
I have a little sister.
No, that was Amy's mess.